What if you would take £5 every single day and invest it into the stock market every day for 6 months? Here's the results. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustlereliance. On our channel, our aim is to help the online money-making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. Quick disclaimer drop, I am not a financial advisor and nothing I say should be classed as financial advice. This is purely for entertainment purposes only. Always do your homework before investing, and remember, when investing, your capital is at risk. I've been investing in the stock market since before the AMC and GameStop mayhem of 2021.
GameStop and AMC are soaring again.
140% of GameStop was short.
Those betting against GameStop lost $14.3 billion today alone. Elon Musk egging on Reddit users, tweeting, GameStonk.
6 months ago, on the 18th of October 2024, I started an experiment. How fast could we hit £1 million by just investing a £5 a day? Why £5 a day? Well, it's the price of a meal deal, and it's something you can easily make with a side hustle every single day for minimal effort. It is now the 16th of April 2025, and we are now 6 months into this challenge. But how did we do? Firstly, a big part of this challenge was finding the right fund to invest into. So I invested into an ETF, or an exchange traded fund, which is a collection of investments that can be bought and sold like a stock on the stock exchange. ETFs allow you to have a diverse portfolio which can access a wide range of different stocks and assets across the entire market. So I decided to invest £5 a day into the S&P 500 accumulation fund, and this is the most popular fund available on Trading 212. This S&P 500 fund is a stock market index tracking the stock performance of 500 of the largest companies listed on the US stock market. When buying the actual funds, I'll actually be storing it in a stocks and shares ISA in the UK, so that any gains I do get will be tax-free. And finally, I'm actually using the application known as Trading 212 to make the purchases of these funds, mainly because they actually offer commission-free investing, plus you can use automation within the app to easily invest that £5 every single day with little effort. I've included a link in the description to the Trading 212 app. Occasionally, Trading 212 will run a promotion where you can receive a free share by simply depositing £1 and verifying your ID. Anyways, let's actually get into the actual portfolio. Let's look back at how we've done so far.
Starting with the numbers, I've been investing £5 daily, totaling £155 invested into this ISA over the last month. This systematic approach has actually paid off with my investments, growing to £158.92. That's a total percentage return of 2.53%.
This was a higher rate than expected, and I was actually really impressed with the growth I actually gained within that first month.
That's a good start.
So we are now on month 3, and I've actually invested £465 into the S&P 500 accumulation fund, and my portfolio value is now £489.23. That means I've gained a growth of £24.23, which is a rate of return of 10.7%. We're now in month 6. So far I've actually invested £905 into the stock market, but my current value on my portfolio is £788.32. That is a decrease of £116.68, or a rate of return of minus 25%.
What the hell happened here?
This downturn is largely due to the heightened risk and the global market decline sparked by the escalating trade tensions. The situation intensified when US President Trump announced sweeping tariffs, declaring it Liberation Day.
My fellow Americans, this is Liberation Day.
These tariffs were set to impact nearly every sector of the US economy, triggering mass panic and selling across global markets, including the US. This marks the most significant global market drop since the 2020 crash during COVID-19. The decline of my portfolio started on March 4th, following the US's decision to impose long-anticipated 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico, along with a doubling of tariffs on Chinese imports to 20%. Although markets did begin to show some signs of recovery, another sharp drop occurred on April 1st, and no, this is not an April Fool's Day joke.
April Fools, bitch! You don't know April Fools?
In just 3 days, the value of my investments fell by more than £50, or around 10%. This was driven by growing fears that President Trump's aggressive trade policies had escalated into a full-blown confrontation with China, with ripple effects felt well beyond the US and Europe. I've had a really good run with the stock market with this challenge, so a drop was bound to happen at some point, and investments do go up and down. You should see my Bitcoin and my crypto portfolio. It has been a roller coaster over the last few months. I always say invest for the long term. The S&P 500 has actually given out an average rate of return of around 10% over the last 50 years. So I'm sure it's going to recover. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Past performance does not mean future results. The main goal of this challenge is to either hit £1 million in value or use this money to actually start my next venture of growing a buy-to-let portfolio where I'm able to rent out these properties to my friends and family at a discounted rate. If you do want to sign up for Trading 212, the link is in the description. Here's a quick question for you. What would you do in my position? Would you sell these investments or would you hold on for dear life and just keep investing and just riding the waves of the stock market? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, it would be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos and I'll see you guys in 3 months for the next update.
Herman, I cannot change what happened in the past.